Good morning, students. Now I going to teach today class 6 math percentage. And that video I have taught you. There are I taught ratio and proportion, all things over. I hope that all questions have completed which I have taught here, and remaining question which is given homework, that also you have completed. Any doubt, then you ask me, I will send from WhatsApp. Now I tell percentage. Today class 6 maths 24-day percentage. What is the percentage? First I go into percent. Already all of you have see the advertisements. There are offer given in winter season. Some cloth offer given 25%, 50%, or many items there are offer given in some occasion. It means what is the percentage? I going to tell you. Percent means a percent is a fraction whose denominator is 100, or a ratio whose denominator is 100, or you can say out of 100 whatever coming, that is the percentage. So percentage means the percentage a fraction whose denominator is 100. For example, if there are 5 by 100, then we can write 5%. This symbol is there. This is the symbol of percentage. This is symbol of percentage. Or percent is this. This is the symbol of percentage. It means out of 100, what part is coming? That is the percentage. Percentage used in math is widely used of percentage in math or financials, mathematics or science, to find the profit and loss, to find the discount, to find the interest. There are many uses of the percentage. So this is the percentage. A percentage is a fraction whose denominator is 100. Then we can write numerator as a percentage, and this is the symbol of percentage. Here is symbol of percentage. It means this symbol is correspondence to 1 by 100. Sometimes this sign can be removed by this 1 by 100, or 1 by 100 written as a percentage. So see here, 5 by 100 can be written 5 into 1 by 100, and this symbol is represented as percentage sign. So we can say that this is the correspondence to each other. Now I going to teach how can you change any fraction into percentage. Conversion of fraction into percentage, conversion of decimal into percentage, conversion of ratio into percentage. So see here, First, conversion of fraction into percent or percentage. So any fraction given, suppose you have 4 by 5, want to convert into the percentage, then what you do? You multiply, you bring the denominator as a 100. 100 by 100, there is no change. I multiply by 100 with numerator and denominator, there is no change. Now this 100 cut by 5, 20 coming, you get 80 by 100, you can write 80%. Similarly, any fraction can converted by multiplying each numerator by 100 and denominator by 100, we can change that fraction into percentage. Now, suppose there are, it means 4 by 5, 100 by 100 can become 100%. So if you multiply by 100%, or simply you can say any fraction multiply by 100 that change into the percentage. So 4 by 5 is 200, that cut by 20 and 20 4 by 80, you can write 80%. Now conversion of ratios into percent. Suppose there are given 5 ratio 12 given, 5 ratio 4 ratio 10 given, suppose that is 4 by 10. Now multiply by 100, 0 0 cancel out and there is remaining only 40 and that is the 40%. So if there are ratio given, ratio can be written as a fraction and fraction multiply by 100, that will change into the percentage. Okay, so I tell you any number given, for now see decimal, conversion of decimal into percentage, conversion of decimals into percent. So there are given 0.5 given. How can convert into percent? Now multiply 0.5 into 100. What you will get? You will get 500 to decimal after 1 digit, that is coming 50. So that is 50%. It means any number given, either that is fraction or that is the ratio, that is the decimal or whole number either given, you multiply by 100% or simply 100, that will change into the percentage. Suppose one more example, suppose 1 given, convert 1 into percentage, then 1 into 100%, that is coming 100%. If there are 2 given, 2 into 100 into 200%. This way, any number given, then you multiply by 100%, that will change into the percentage. Now, I am going to tell conversion of percentage into fraction. Conversion of percentage into fraction. See, conversion of percent or percentage into fractions. If there are any percentage given, then remove percentage by 1 by 100. It means percentage divided by 100, then that will change into the fraction, or that will change into the decimal. See, example, see you have 5%, that can be written 5 by 100. Now cut by 5 numerator and denominator 1 by 20. Fraction coming 1 by 20. So 5% converted into fraction, that is coming 1 by 20. Similarly, here is percentage given 1.2% given, that is 1.2, and this percentage sign removed by 1 by 100, so that is 1 by 100. This decimal also removed, that is 12 by 10 into 1 by 100 is equal to 12 by 1000. Cut by 4, 3 coming, and here is 25 coming, 250, so that is 3 by 250. This is the fraction. This way, any fraction, any percentage can change into as a fraction when you multiply 1 by 100 with the percentage by removing the percent side remove by the 1 by 100. This way you can convert the any percentage into fraction. Now conversion of percentage into decimal. Suppose there are given 2.5%, that can be written 2.5 into 1 by 100. That this decimal also remove, multiply by 10 up and down, that is 2.5 by 100. Now multiply by 10, because after there are 1 digit after decimal, so remove the decimal to multiply. After 110, write and multiply with numerator and denominator, that is 2, 5, and here is 100 into 10. That is 25 divided by 1000. Now put the decimal in the numerator. After 3 digits, we put the decimal. 1, 2 digit only given, so that can be then 0, 0, 0. Make here 1, 2, 3, 4 digits. In denominator, you make numerator also 4 digits by increasing 0 to the left of numbers. So 0.0025 by 1000. Now count how many 0? 1, 2, 3 0. In numerator, put decimal after 3 digits from right side. So that is 0, 0 to 5, 1, 2, 3, here to decimal. So this percentage converted into decimal. Similarly, any percentage can convert into decimal. Suppose there are given 1.5%, that is 1.5 into 1 by 100. That is 1.5 divided by 100. In this way, you can directly shift the decimal 2 digit to left side. If any number divided by 10, 100, 1000, then you count only 0. How many 0 down? That many digits decimal shifted to the left side. If multiply, then decimal shifted to the right side. Suppose if you are multiplying 1 by 1.5 into 10, then that decimal shifted 1 digit to right side, that is 50. And here in dividing, then this decimal shifted 2 digit to right side, left side. So here is 1 digit already, and 1 more 0 right. Then here is decimal shifted, so that becomes 0.015. That percentage change into the decimal. This way, any percentage change into decimal or fraction. Now, to calculate the given percentage of a given number, given percentage of a given number, how can calculate? To calculate given percentage of given quantity or given quantity. Suppose you have a quantity given 500 points. Suppose there are given 5% of rupees 500. How can calculate? See, 5%, this 5% convert into fraction, that is 5 by 100. Of means multiplication, and then rupees 500, right? This 20 cancel out, that is coming 25. So 5% of 500 is coming 25. This way you can find the any percentage of any number. Now you are able to see your exercise 13.4. Here is question given. According to question you solve. See, convert the following fraction into percent. First given, convert following fraction into percent. First given 7 by A given 7 by 28. A given 7 by 28 is equal to 7 by 28 into 100%, or simply 100, right? 7 cut 28, 4 times 4 cut 20, 100, 25 times, that is 25%. So 7 by 28 converted into percentage is equal to 25%. Similarly, B given here, that is given 8 by 12. 8 by 12 is equal to 8 by 12 into 100%. Cut by 4, then 2 by 3 coming, that is 200 by 3%, are converted into fraction, that is 66 whole 2/3%. After that, 17 by 25. See, 17 by 25 can be written 17 by 25 into 100%. 100 divided by 25 4 times, and 68% coming. This way you can convert any fraction into percentage by multiplying 100% or simply 100. After that, convert the following decimal into percent. Convert the following decimal into percent. Decimal into percent. See what? Here also multiply by 100 only. Given 2.356. Given 2.356. Convert into percentage of 2.356 into 100. That is, when a decimal number multiplied by 100, decimal shifting 2 digit to right side, so that is 235.6%. This decimal shifting 2 digit, because here 20, then this decimal shifted 20 to right side. Divide them 2 digit to left side. Multiply them 2 digit to right side. So that is 235.6%. After that, 0.67 into convert into percentage 0.67 into 100. That decimal shifted 1 digit, 2 digit to right side, that becomes 67% only. C given 0.04. Convert into percentage 0.4 into 100. So that is this 0 shifted 2 digit to right side, 1 digit already. Then that is here is write it 400 coming, 2 decimal after 1 digit, here is decimal coming. So that is 40% coming. This is the 40%. This is the 40% coming. This way remaining question D 0.0573, then multiply by 100, the decimal shifted 2 digit to the right side, that becomes 5.73. You will do it. RC here, that is given 0.0573, convert into this percentage 0.0573 into 100%. Then decimal shifting 1 digit and 2 digit to right side, so that is 5.73%. This is your answer. Now ratio given. Convert 2 ratio 5, 3 ratio 11, 7 ratio 8 into the percentage. See, convert the following ratio into percentage. Ratios into percentage. First given A 2 into 5 is equal to 2 by 5 into 100%. That 100 cut by 5, 20. 20 to the 40%, answer coming 40%. B 3 ratio 11 given. 3 is to 11 is equal to 3 by 11 into 100%. That is 300 by 11 percent are 11 divide 300. 2 time division point here, 20 to coming. Here coming 8, 0, 7 times 77, 3 coming. That is 27 whole 3 upon 11%. Now 27 whole 3 upon 11%. This is your answer. This ratio converted into percentage. Similarly, boys, 7.8 and 1.5 ratio, 7 ratio 8 and 1 ratio 5 also you can convert into percentage. Now convert the following percentage into fraction. Question number 4. See question number 4. Convert following percentage into fraction. Convert following percentage into fraction. See here, first given 2.75%. 2.57% convert into fraction, that is 2.57 into 1 by 100. Percentage remove. Here percentage, this symbol removed by 1 by 100, and here is also given C 2.75. 2.75 convert into percentage, then write 275 down write 1. How many digit after decimal C here? 2 digit. Then after 1 increase 2 0. So that is 275 by 1 by 100 coming into simply see here 275 by 1. You can write now, remove the decimal from numerator. Then you have to multiply by 100 up and 100 down also. That is 275 decimal remove and down left 100 value. So I remove decimal from here and here is 100 already given, cut by 25 one time and this is 4. 100 cut 25 by 4 and that is 11 by 400. This is the fraction. This is the answer. 2.75% converted into fraction. After that given 0.04% convert into fraction. So 0.04 into 1 by 100. Percentage remove. Now you remove this decimal here like that and you remove that is 4. This decimal shifting 2 digit to right side, then multiply by 100 and down also multiply by 100 and 100 remaining 1 by 4 by 100 into 1 by 100. 100 cut by 425 times of remaining 1 into 1 and down is 25 into 100 2500 and then given 0.356% divides C 0.356 is equal to 0.356 into 1 by 100 and this decimal remove, then multiply by 1000 up and down like this 356 by 1 and now multiply by 100 up and down to remove the decimal 1000 multiply not 100, that is 356 by 1000. So write here 356 by 1000 into 1 by 100 and now you cut by 4. Cut by 4. 8 4 is 32 3. 9 4 is 36 coming. Cut it 356 by 4. 8 times 32. 3 6 9 times cut and then coming by 4 here 25 coming and then 9 8 by 2530 convert into fraction. This way any percentage can convert into fraction Now fifth question, convert the following percentage into decimal. Convert the following percentage into decimal. It is a very easy. See how it is easy. Question number 5. Question number 5. Convert into decimal. Convert following percentage into decimal. See first given. There are given 0.456, 0.456, 0.456% given, that is 0.456 by 1 by 100, but divide by 100. So symbol of percentage remove 1 by 100, that is 0.456 divided by 100. What you see here? Any number divided by your decimal number divided by 100, this decimal shifting 2 digit to left side. So here 2 0 increase 1 2 and then 2 decimal and then write 4 5 6 4 0. This decimal shifting 2 digit to left side, that becomes 0.00456. That is the decimal. Similarly, B given 76.75%. 76.575% is equal to 76.57 into 1 by 100 is equal to 76.75 by 100. Now this decimal shifting 2 digit to left side, that is 0.76575, that is the decimal. Similarly, C and D you can convert. Now calculate percentage of any number. See this one. Question number 6. Question number 6. Asking 20% of 300. Calculate 20% of 300. Percentage right into fraction. Then that is 20 by 100. Of at the place of multiplication and 300. 2 0 cancel out. 3 into 20 60 rupees is 60 answer coming. Rupees given, then that is the 60 rupees. See the 300 rupees, 60 rupees. B, question number B. 45% of 200. 45% of 200. So change this 45% into fraction, that is 45 by 100, and of place of right multiplication into 200, 0 cancel out, and 45 to 90. Answer coming 90. This way I think. Remaining question, one more C I am going to tell. C part of this question, 33 or 1/3% of 600 convert into improper fraction, that is 99 and 100 by 3. Now percent remove 1 by 100 of multiplication into 600. This 0 0 cancel, 6 divided by 3, 2 coming, that is coming 200. So answer coming 200. Now here is some figure given wise and asking what percent of this sign is the shaded. Here is some figure given and some figure is shaded. What percent is that you have to find out. Then question number 7. Question number 7. Diagram I am making here. One question I tell here only, and then you complete it. How many figure is here and how many shaded? This figure is shaded. Perhaps this is the shaded. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shaded, and total there are 10. Then out of 10, how many shaded? 5 are shaded. This how much fraction is shaded? 5 shaded, right of 5, and total number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Out of 10, 5 is shaded. Make a fraction 5 by 10 and then multiply by 100. This 0 cancel. 5 multiplied with 10, 50%. How many shaded? 50% part is shaded. This way, I think remaining you can able to do. Here is second figure. How many shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shaded. And how many total triangle made? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Total figure is given, total triangle given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 given. And 5 is shaded. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 is shaded. So you can write for me 6 by 10 into 100. 0, 0 cancel, 60% are shaded. This way, here is how many C? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, and 4 is shaded. Then 4 by 10 into 100, 40% is shaded. Now question number 8. Question number 8C. See what is given. Given here, a man earns ₹12,000, he saved 20% of his salary and expend ₹65% of expenses on expenses. Find amount he has saved and amount he has expended. Earning money is equal to rupees 12,000. Saving is equal to 20%. Expenditure expense percentage 65%. Asking saving amount is equal to 20% of rupees 12,000. That is 20 by 100 into 12,000. 1, 2, 3 cut, 2 cut, and now you multiply 120 multiply by 20, 240, 2,400 rupees expected saving. After that, expend amount is equal to 65% of rupees 12,000 is equal to 65 by 100 into rupees 12,000. 20 cancel out, and then 12 multiplied by 5, first write 20. 12 multiplied by 5, 60, 6 coming, 72, and 6, 78. So that is coming, here is coming 7,800 rupees. This is the expend amount. This is the two answer, expend and saving amount coming. And one more question given last. A jacket which has the list price is given 700 rupees is available at the discount of 30%. Find the price of jacket after the discount. So if you want, then you can try to do it. Find discount. I think here. Question number 9. Print price. Here is given first a list price. List price is equal to which 700 and discount given 30%. Discount given 30%. You have to find discount. Discount is equal to 30% of rupees 700, that is 30%, 30 by 100 of, at the place of multiplication sign, rupees 700, 70, 20 cancel out, 210 rupees is the discount. Discount is 210 rupees. So price of selling price you can say, asking find the price of the jacket. Price of jacket is equal to 700 minus 210. 0 here, 10 minus 1 9, here 6, 6 minus 2 is 4. That is coming 490 rupees is the price by which the selling price. 490 rupees is the jacket available. This is all, boys. After that also any doubt, then you ask to me on a WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number everyone know. Ask on that numbers. I will give the solution, provided the solution to you. Good morning, student. Thank you. कल आज कल तो राहुल सुनी मुकेश देखिए पुस्तक ये रिकॉर्डिंग बंद हुआ कि नहीं कीजिएगा। राहुल पुस्तक खोला लो।
रिकॉर्डिंग वाली
बंद कर दीजिए। हाँ
रिपीट कीजिए सर।
रिकॉर्डिंग बंद होगी नहीं।
रिकॉर्डिंग बंद है।
बंद है।
हाँ।
सब बंद कर दीजिए।
Good morning, miss.
गुड मॉर्निंग।
Good morning, miss.
गुड मॉर्निंग मिस।
कैसे हैं आप सभी?
Good. Miss fine.
गुड मॉर्निंग मिस।
Morning, miss.
Good morning।
गुड मॉर्निंग मिस। गुड आफ्टरनून।
ओके ओके, तो जैसे कि लास्ट क्लास में हमें समय नहीं मिली थी, है ना, तो आपको बुक में जो अभ्यास कार्य दिया गया है वो हमने नहीं करवाया था, तो पहले आज कर लें। आपने किया है अपनी तरफ से?
Yes, miss.
ओके, यदि आपने किया है तो मैं दोबारा एक बार बता देती हूँ। वैसे तो मैंने पीडीएफ में भेजा है, फिर भी एक बार मैं इसको ब्लैक बोर्ड में करवा देती हूँ। इसके बाद हम चलेंगे नेक्स्ट चैप्टर में, ठीक है? तो शुरू करें। ओके, अब मैं आप सभी को अनम्यूट करना होगा इससे पहले, तो आप सभी खोल के रखिए बच्चों। वेट टाइम हो गया सर? हाँ, टाइम 12:30। रिकॉर्डिंग बंद। ओके, कोई डाउट है? ठीक है, इस कहानी को एक बार आप जरूर पढ़िए,
रिकॉर्डिंग ऑन है।
समझने का प्रयास कीजिए।
रिकॉर्डिंग ऑन है। ठीक है मैम।
तो बाकी इसके जो अभ्यास कार्य जो भी है,
मुझे डाउट है।
रिक्त स्थान भरिए, सही गलत इसे आप कर लीजिएगा। बाकी मैं नेक्स्ट क्लास में इसको करवा दूंगी।
डाउट
ठीक है मिस।
मिस, आई हैव डाउट।
ओके, बाय।
गुड बाय मिस।
बाय बाय, हैव अ नाइस डे।
थैंक यू। बाय बाय मिस।
बाय बाय।